What the heck is fusible fleece and why do I need that? Let me tell you. Fusible fleece is a soft, padded synthetic material with a heat-activated adhesive on either one side or both sides, meant to be permanently attached to your sewing project to provide stability and that squish factor that sometimes you're looking for in a bag or a pillow or whatever you're making. Quick facts about fusible fleece. When using a single-sided fusible fleece, one side is going to feel very soft and the other side is going to have little bumps on it. The bumps are little glue dots, and those are what's going to stick to your fabric when you go to iron it. That being said, fusible fleece is always applied to the wrong side of your fabric, not the pretty side, the ugly side, just like this. Let me show you at the ironing board. Let's sew some fusible fleece. I've got my fusible fleece facing up with the bumpy side facing me, and I'm going to lay my main fabric pretty side up with my ugly side touching that bumpy side. And all you have to do is apply some heat and press it, maybe for a good 10 seconds. As you press this, all of those little glue dots are going to melt into that fabric, causing it to adhere to each other forever. Better hope they get along. Once you have this pressed on, it's best to let it cool for a few minutes. During that time, everything is going to kind of harden up and it's going to really stick to that fabric. So this is applied. This isn't going anywhere. These pieces are stuck together. Another fun fact about fusible fleece is it doesn't shrink, so you don't need to pre-wash it. If you use it in something that you need to wash, like a bag or a garment, you can machine wash it on a warm, delicate cycle and then just tumble dry low, or you could always dry clean. So to sum it up, fusible fleece is a great tool when you're learning how to sew bags or things that you need a little bit of a squish factor to. It's going to permanently adhere to your fabric. It adds body and softness. It's a wonderful tool. I hope that you guys try using it sometime in a project because it really is awesome. There you go, Fusible Fleece 101. Let me know if y'all have questions, like and follow for more.